would be if Haitians were united. How happy we would be if we put it without politicians taking advantage of us. Politics killing us. They murdered us. They killed our mothers, they killed our fathers, they killed our children. Should they know journalists? Haitians are thieves, murderers. They killed our families. They burned our houses. They closed our airports. They killed our president. We are not united. We are afraid to tell the country, oh, thank you, Haiti Unity. With the ancestors who make us reconcile the nation with everything we want. We will tell you thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Krishna, thank you that 100 days. Thank you. Thank you. All live together. I said to all criminals, go and take the oligarchs so that they can feel the pain. Also reconciliation with everything they want in the country. When will we go and take the politicians who steal laughter, protecting the country, brainwash us to learn to love our country? Because we are bad, we still live it. First people, A6, them who broke my country. Give us the chance to live in the country. Journalists who steal and make money are accused in Djibouti, who are asking for peace in our region. There are no assassins. We are the ones who kill presidents of an Moise for our father regional. Bulos, Dimitri, Vop, and all the others are